All right, test one. Right here, you'll see this bucket is filled up to 3.5 gallons. 3.5 gallons. I have my injector on there. And because of the size of injector I'm using today, I'm gonna use my 1/2-inch hose. My 1/2-inch hose. I'm doing this with 11.5 GPM. That's what, when both of my machines are running, you'll see 11.5 gallons per minute being pulled or being pushed from the machines. This injector will pull 3 gallons. Now, I'm gonna show you guys 3 different tests. Well, really only 2 I need to show you. I'm gonna show you the first fill is gonna be with the water bypassing the injector. Just bypassing the injector so you can get to know what the exact amount that my machines are pushing. Then I'm gonna put the machine into where the water flows through the chemical injector, right? Pulling in chemical. What you will see is that when it goes to the chemical injector, the distance and volume is gonna greatly improve because I'm pulling in so much, right? And because I'm not changing the orifice, right? I can explain it all in another video, but let's get to it and I can show you how this works. And I'm telling you right now, when it's not pulling through the injector with that size, this is just a ball valve right now with a 1/4 inch, and I bored the 1/4 inch out to 1764, I think, just the inside slightly, made it slightly bigger than a 1/4 inch because of what I'm doing. But this is going to prove to you guys, and this works on a smaller scale as well. I can run 3/8 line and do 3%. I wouldn't use this injector if I'm just running a 6.8. I have another injector, which I'm going to show you guys. But this is really going to show you when you use your chemical injector properly, you're actually getting your full flow, plus you're pulling in chemical. That's what you want, okay? Here we go. I'm gonna start it up. First thing I'm gonna do is fill that for 1 minute. I'm gonna leave you guys here right now while I start her up. All right, first test, 1 minute fill. 1 minute fill. I'm gonna start at 4 minutes. minutes. I'm gonna put it onto the chemical injector. Now it's pulling chemical, right? There you go. 3.5 gallons in here. There's 3.5 gallons. At 30 at 6:30. Look at this. How much did I end up getting? This is normal. This is it pulling in. That's 12. Watch the distance now. It increases. Watch the distance. All the way down. And the pressure increases. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, my normal just flowing through the ball valve, not going through the chemical injector. I'm at 11.5. Going through the chemical injector, the way I have it set up, I'm getting 12, 13, whatever that's plus that, right? Now, I'm gonna do one more test, which is going to be just through the injector, pulling no chemical, just through the injector. I'm going to do this last one right now so you can see how much water you're getting just through the injector, not pulling chemical. So we know just through the machine, through the ball valve thus far, is 11.5. Pulling through my chemical injector, now I pulled in 12, like 13 point something. And I pulled, where is this at? We started at 3.5. I shot a little bit out at the end showing you guys. We ended up at like 1, I would say. So it was like 2.5 gallons. It was around 2.5 gallons that I sucked in, right? All right, now let's test how much fluid I'm actually getting just through the injector with no chemical. So I can actually get the draw rate. That's how you actually get it. You shoot it through your injector without pulling any chemical. And then, so you shoot it through the injector, pulling chemical. So you actually know how much is flowing. I already proved to you guys one point. Proved to you that you don't want to bypass your injector when rinsing. You want to use the correct injector. Yeah, you can still bypass it. I will probably from time to time, but your performance is not really increased. I'm telling you right now, using the correct injector improves your performance. Using the correct nozzle, using the correct orifice on your injector.